I noticed one of the windows, it is really dirty and we need to clean it. And it is very easy to clean that. And let me show you how so we can make it go from this shape to this shape and even better. It is very easy and let me show you what we're gonna use today. For cleaning the window first, we're gonna use Murphy oil soap, and we need a basin of water and Scotch-Brite scrubber, heavy duty, or we can even use this scrubber because it's harder and it's gonna get the dirt quickly. And we use toothbrush and a towel to dry after we're done cleaning. And then afterwards we're gonna use Old English oil, and we're gonna use a chamois or microfiber towel for polishing the window. Let's start. First we're gonna wet the scrubber and dry it just to get it like damp. Okay, and then we put some Murphy's oil on top of it, and then we take it to the window and we start cleaning. Scrub till you see the dirt all gone. You can use the brush if you want to. I am not going to waste your time to see all this, but keep scrubbing until you see it is clean. So we keep scrubbing like that, and you see the difference. I did not scrub this side as much as I scrubbed this side and up here. Repeating this till you see it is clean as you want it. And then now you can get a wet towel and start cleaning the soap. And after you clean the soap, let it dry for a couple of minutes. If you want to repeat what we did earlier, go ahead until you see it is very clean.